More snow, more snow, more snow. It just keeps coming down. She cleared up right now, but we had quite the storm this morning. I woke up and it was just white outside. Very white. So the river has also decided to clog up today. Sorry, I'm just trying to get over the snowbank. She has clogged right up. As you can see, all the slush is coming down. It's still open way up there, but I imagine she's gonna start freezing over by tonight or tomorrow. It's supposed to get a little more mild, but I don't think too mild. So anyways, today we got a bit going on, not a whole lot. We're gonna go test the old Ecoboost in the snow, the Freshie truck. Might as well go rip it around, fill the rims full of snow, and so it shakes when you go down the highway, because that's always fun. We're gonna do a photo shoot. We got this stunning model. Look at that, give us the 360 there. Okay, the old 408 gear and the waders. So if you guys haven't followed my new Team 408 Instagram page, go follow it. It's mainly just for promoting gear. I wanted to separate the Mark Freeman Instagram from Team 408. So yeah, we're just trying to promote gear. We got like 30 or 40 different designs now, all different styles, men's, women's, kids, whatever you need. So cell phone cases, end stickers, and mugs, all the 408 stuff. So I got my waders on too. We're gonna do some cool shots. We're gonna bring the fishing rod, even though it's just ice down there. We're gonna try and get some funny shots. So yeah, we'll slide the old sled down there. She's up and running, don't worry. We got all the water out of it. I actually fixed it. I didn't take it anywhere. The boys came over and helped me fix it. Matt and Ty helped, so she's good to go. We just need some fuel. So I probably should have picked up some gas. I think I got like a couple liters in there. That's an empty tank. So but yeah, we'll head down the river. We'll take some photos. Try not to freeze our asses off, and then we'll fire up the old Ecoboost, take her down the field, and see if we can rip the nuts right off it.
Oh, for a rip, are ya?
All right, get the weapon out. So nice out today.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful. I think she's gonna be a first pull.
Oh heck yeah.
You want? Oh, I'm stuck. There we go.
Want me to film it?
Ah, I got the GoPro going. Yeah, one fell off. Storm 89 took it. Prime the old pump here. First pull. Every time, eh? Every time. We made her down. Look at this river. We already got a snag. You're supposed to hit the water, not the shrub.
Oh, man. Good. That's a nice snag.
So how do you ice fish?
So there's a traditional way to ice fish with small rods, light gear, and solely frozen water. But since we don't have that today, we're gonna go with the old 7.3 bait caster. What you want to do is you want to find little holes in the ice.
Like those little guys?
Yeah, and then you just gotta. Nope.
Oh, swing and a miss.
Swing and a miss.
Hopefully you don't get snagged.
I'm gonna get snagged.
All right, well, we're gonna get this camera out. We're gonna take a few quick shots before you completely lose your rod.
Oh,
Oh, you're in. If you caught a fish, I would like scream like a little girl. I'd be on fire. Oh, it'd be hilarious.
Nope. It's hard to cast with gloves on.
It's hard to cast and hit these tiny little holes. It is beautiful out though. Look at this river. I don't think you could skip this. I feel like the sled would just suck you right in. It's all it is just slush floating right now. So it's a beauty day though.
Beautiful.
Beautiful day. Great day for hay, sunburns, especially if you're a redhead like me. I could get sunburn on a date like this. You should give up while you're.
Yeah, I know.
Give up while you're ahead. All right, let's take these photos and get out of here. All right, obviously we couldn't film while we were doing photos in the water, but
Yeah, it was
how's your
tricky.
first modeling session?
It was pretty neat.
It was pretty neat. Can't feel our hands.
I don't know if this is the first.
We got a few good shots. There's me. A couple Andrew there. You got snagged all bunged up, but yeah, it's for the shot, right? So
the shot, right?
yeah, let's fire up the sled. We're gonna head back up to the house, do a few more shots, and then we'll fire up the old truck and take her for a spin, see if we can get stuck. Woo. Oh man, it is cold out here. I would not want to go down the river today. You would not be getting the sled out.
Yeah, you'd be dead.
Not today.
You'd be dead.
All right, first pull. Every time, girl. Every time. Not going in the river today. All right, photo shoot 101 complete. Actually, we're gonna do one more photo. We forgot this shirt.
Oh.
Yeah, the baseball tee. It's not actually for sale anymore, but we're just promoting it anyway. And Rockstar came out with a new drink in Canada. Woo. Super sour orange, and it is delicious.
Delightful.
All right. Do a little cold start on the Ford.
Cold start on the Ford.
Hop in. Ooh.
Hop in or?
Get my boots off.
Heck yeah.
Ugh, see if this thing fires up.
What's going on with this thing?
This thing never likes to start in the cold. It's so weird.
Oh, Fords in the winter, eh?
Oh, there it goes.
Woo! Ooh, doggy!
Hey!
Ooh, doggy!
Let's go rip the nuts off it. How's the new Super Sour?
Oh, delicious.
Delicious?
Oh, heck yeah.
Yeah, I really like this new truck. I mean, I've only had it for a week, but she's running well. The thing I do like about it is the engine is a little smaller and it heats up so fast that literally when I do the remote start, like by the time I get my shoes on and get in the truck, it's already warmed up. And it remembers all your settings from the day or night before. So if I had my seat heater on before, like last night, it stays on. So I think that's just a winter feature because I don't think you'd really want your seat heater on in the summer. Anyways, we're gonna go down the track here and so we can get the old Ford stuck. Well, hopefully not. I don't want to call Brian and have to piss him off. Like, what the hell are you guys doing? Idiots! Idiots!
We're putting Ford to the test.
Wide open. Woo!
For a 6-bagger, that's got some pickup.
Yeah, it's not bad. Well, it's twin turbo.
Oh yeah?
That's why. Not your average 6-banger.
It's good.
It's good. Yeah, the river's still open over there.
Hey, there's a loon.
A loon?
Or no, those are
there's no loons down here. You're a loon. You're a loony.
A loon.
All right, we're gonna get stuck. Oh, they groomed the snowmobile trail for us. Perfect.
This is a trail here?
That's a snowmobile trail.
Yeah,
Technically, we're on it right now, but I don't care. It's our driveway.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. We gotta turn the traction control off here, so we can really get those turbos spooling. Burn some rubber. We're gonna burn some rubber.
Woo!
Thing never wants to start.
Too cold. There we go.
Oh, gotta take traction control off her again.
Oh yeah. Woo! Who needs traction control, right?
Oh, not us.
Yeah, it's starting to snow out and everything. Perfect time for donuts.
Doing the donuts. I can't see anything. Oh, there we go. Woo! Wide open, boys.
Woo, doggy.
Heyo! How was that?
That was mean.
Did it sound good?
It sounded excellent.
Okay, because apparently they pumped sound in here to make it sound better, to make it sound like a V8 apparently, so I don't actually know what it sounds like on the outside.
It sounds pretty good.
I literally could not see anything. It was just snow on the windshield. I'm like, I hope Baker's not standing in front of me.
I made sure to keep my distance.
keep the distance.
Heck yeah.
All right. Well, now that my rims are completely full of snow, that should be a shaky mess on the way up. Oh, what I do like about this thing too, on the 2016, if you got it with your key in your pocket, it honked really loud, like almost like a rape alarm. This one, when you get out, it's a little quieter.
Just a little boop boop.
Anyways,
Just to remind you.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This Ford is awesome. I love it. We just probably burned through a quarter tank, but you know, it's for the YouTube.
Oh, heck yeah.
So we're going to wrap this up, do some more photos, and then we got volleyball tonight. So we'll see you guys later. Subscribe, do all the fun stuff. Be amazing. See ya.